Hello, good morning, sir. This is Chandra Das from Nepal. I have already sent one video of laptop assemble or disassemble earlier. Now I am going to assemble or disassemble another printer and copiers. Whether you can see all parts. First of all, I am going to disassemble all the part. After that, I will assemble all the part as it is. I am really sorry for that. In another video, I have taken lots of time. So really sorry. But finally, I am going to prepare this video. And now you can see I have a printer, and the printer here I am going to disassemble is the Brother branded, and the model is L2710DW. First of all, let's do disassemble it. After that, I will go for the process. As you can see, this is in this printer. Here are some problem. The indicator is showing that no toner. Here as you can see, here no toner problems. And let's see what other problems I can find after disassemble it. And if you find another problem, let's solve the solutions. And I will try solve the solution basically in normal way. For the disassemble process, first of all we have to disassemble DP section of the printers, and you can see the DP section of the printer can remove easily, not so fast and lengthy process. And in this process you can see the paper holding paper, so whether rolling sections. As you can see, this section is so many dust are here, and we have to remove all the dust. Finally, basically, the dust block all the papers, or jamming problems issues are handling so many times. That's why dust is the major problem of all the printers. That's why we have to remove all the dust inside the printers. And the another part, first we have to remove the cassette, whether the papers are holes there, the cassettes. I am going to remove the cassettes, and the cassettes is basically very fine, not in tough process. Here I have already removed the cassette section. Now I am going to remove the cartridge section of the printer. As you can see, the cartridge section inside the printer. And now I am removing this, and as you can see, this section I have already removed from here. In this cartridge you can see the drum and the toner sections are assembled together. Here you can see the inside part of the printers. As you can see, this is look like. And now we have to remove all the parts step by step. Okay. And now I have to remove both sides thread. This is now you can see this thread used for both side printing purpose. Look. Now you can see I have removed the side cover of the printer, and this is the cabling part of the printer. Now we remove this part. Already I have already removed. Now let's remove another part of the printers. Here you can see I have removed already another part cover, and now I am removing this cover sections, already removed. Now DP sections. Now to remove the DP sections, I am removing this cabling part of the printers. All the cable parts are here connected, and you can see this part is already joined here. Now I have to remove this part. Here you can see I have already removed all the cable parts. Now I am removing the DP sections of the printers, and you can see the screw parts are already removed. Now I have to remove this DP sections and remove this. Let's remove this part. Let's remove the part. Now you can see the DP sections already removed. And I think there is some cables here. Maybe I have to remove the cables. Only you can find that there's a part of the printer. First of all, this part is removed. Removing this part. I think all the parts are removed and disassembled. And you can see the complete disassembled parts of the printers are here. And you can see this is motherboard. And here another motherboards are here. And this is the gearbox. This is the gearbox. And the big gearbox control all the moving part of inside the printers. Already all the switch parts are removed from here. And now you can see the laser sections of the printers is this. Finally, I found these sections, and this is the layer sections of the printers. This is a major part. All the images are printed with the help of these sections. And without these sections, we cannot do anything in this printers. Now let's do another sections of the printers. Here you can see this is the power board of the printers, and Now remove the cover of the layer sections. There are locks, so many locks are here. Here is another one lock and another locks. These another locks. Now removing these locks, and you can see what is inside the laser sections. The laser sections. You can see this is the laser section part inside. I think this is all in fine condition. But we have to clean the dust inside the mirror part. And this is the mirror section, and this is the reflecting mirror sections. Now I'm cleaning this dust in this part. And this is the moving part of the laser sections, which reflect the laser's light in the form of laser light, and all the images are reflected on the drum parts from this mirror part of the moving laser sections. Sometimes there is some problem due to because of the dust part on the mirror parts. And as you can see, as you can know, dust parts already blurred all the image. That's why we have to remove all the dust part. I think already I have cleaned. It's completed. It's over. Here you can see I have already assembled this part. And I think these parts are already assemble this part. Now part by part I am going to assemble. Now I am going to assemble this part by part as I have disassembled. Now the complete disassembled parts are completed. Now I have to assemble all these parts as it is, as I have removed the sections. Yes, I have already assembled the parts in DP section. Now, this section is already assembled. Now, join all the cables part of this sections. Put this into assemble these parts. Here you can see I have already all the parts are assembled here. Now the final part of the covers are here. I'm going to assemble this. In this sessions you can. All parts are assembled, and now the final part of the covers already assembled. And in this section, after the assembly, the assembly or disassembly parts are completed.
Hello. वो सरकार जी 2-3 दिन लगते हैं ना करीब पत्ते
Finally, all the assembled parts are completed. Now the cartridge parts are here. I'm going to install this. You can see all parts are assembled, and assembly or disassembling part of these printers are completed. And now we can check that computers are working or not in proper way. Finally, all the assembled or disassembled parts are completed of this printer, and you can see the printers are in working conditions, and there are some issues already I have mentioned earlier. The toners, new toners I have to install, and that's all. All the problems are, I think all the problems are solved.